Hello friends, welcome to Crochet Connect. If you are new to my channel, please click on subscribe button below and subscribe to my channel. Today I will let you know how to crochet this beautiful mobile cover, which is very easy to make. You can use this pattern while making blankets or mufflers also, and it looks really beautiful. First of all friends, we will make a slip knot. Then we will make chains as per the width of the phone. Considering width of the phone and the count of my yarn, I am making total 14 chains. You have to make chains as per the width so that mobile phone is in fitting in these chains. Then we will skip first chain and in second chain onwards we will make single crochet till the last loop. We will make single crochet in all loops.
लास्ट वाले लूप में जो लास्ट वाली चेन है इसमें हम 3 सिंगल क्रोशिया करेंगे। इसके बाद हम इसको
सिंगल क्रोशिया
जो दूसरी वाली साइड है इसमें भी हर चेन में हम सिंगल क्रोशिया करेंगे।
You have to make single crochet. In the last loop we will make 2 single crochets and then we join it with the slip stitch in the starting first loop. This is how your first row is complete. Now we make chain 1 and in first loop, first chain, we will make 2 single crochets and in second one also we will make 2 single crochet, and further we will start making 1 single crochet in each loop. When we reach in the center, from the center, one from left and one from right, you will make 2 single crochet in each. Total in center we have 3 loops and we will make 2 single crochet in each. One is left, one is right, and one is the center one. And again we will start making 1 single crochet in each, leaving last 2 loops. In last 2 loops we will make 2 single crochet in each one. And then we will attach them with the help of slip stitch. This is how base is done, and after this we will start with the pattern. We will do a yarn over, pass from a first loop. We have 3 threads on our hook, then yarn over, pass through second loop. We have total 5 loops on the hook and we will pass the yarn through these 5 threads and make 1 chain. I will show you again. Yarn over, pass through 1 loop, yarn over and pass through second. and pass the thread through all the 5 loops and make single. You have to make a complete row like this. This is a very simple, easy and a beautiful pattern. Your mobile cover comes out really beautiful. Till the end you have to make like this only, like we are doing double crochet in 2 loops together. You have to make like this till the end, and this is how this pattern will come out. And last 2 loops we will make similar like this, one chain, and we will attach through slip stitch. Then we will make one chain, and in next row we will make single crochet in each loop. And similarly you have to repeat this pattern and then single crochet as per the length you required for your mobile. Pattern, single crochet pattern. Now we will complete the last row. Last row, after making the single crochet, to give it a clean look, we will do a back loop like this. I will pass the crochet hook through a loop, take a yarn and pass through a loop. This is the back loop. We will make like this, and it will give a very clean look to a top part. And we will divide our total front portion into equal number of loops, and in the center we will take 4 loops. We will take one back loop, and then we will make the number of chains for a button on the front part. You can make the as number of chains how long you want the loop for a button. I am making total 15 chains for this loop. You can adjust and select number accordingly. Just check if these are sufficient, or you can make as per your requirement. And then we will skip 2 loops, and in the third loop we will make similarly back loop crochet. And we will complete the row like this, and see how this loop will look. I will complete the row like this back loop. In the last, you can close the project with the help of slip stitch, or you can use the needles. I can share the link how to close the project in the best way. You can close with the help of sewing needle also for clean project. I hope you like my video, and you can attach the button with the help of a needle in the front low, and you will see how clean and beautiful your mobile cover will look. I hope you like my video, and please subscribe and share to your friend also. Thank you.